tell her.
Hey, y'all. I'm still sleeping. You gotta wake up.
And my cousins in the back and niece, y'all wave. We'll give y'all a little road action later on. We just getting started. We are tired, so we'll catch y'all in a minute. Bye. We pretty much yapped the entire 5-hour ride, so I decided to give you guys a break so you didn't have to hear all of that. It was definitely a fun ride to San Antonio.
Girls trip. Girls trip. We tripping and we tripping and we girls tripping.
No.
So we have made it to the outlets. Yeah, I'm putting her on there. Hey y'all, finna do a little shopping in San Marcos. We're on one side of it. We're gonna go across the street to the next ones. Probably gonna start here and work our way around. Day one, y'all. Oh, I like these too. I don't know which one I like.
Arrived in San Antonio and we are now in the Airbnb. It is super cute. Get the responses. Is everyone satisfied with the choice?
We love it.
I love it?
Yes.
Good. Very cute. We've got washer and dryer. And the bedroom. Hey, cousin.
Hey.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Come and say something. I wanna hear your voice. All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me.
Dinner was really overrated, but the company was good. We decided to step out and walk through the town and maybe hit a bar before we called it a night.
All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me. All the eyes are right on me.
Yeah. actually about to go on a wine tour. The girls have already got on the bus. Hey, it's party time. Taste. So that's a no.
It's a no.
It's a no. What it tastes like?
Vinegar.
We made it to the second winery, which was significantly better than the first. We actually really enjoyed the wine here. So now we're headed to our third winery, but of course we had to stop and take advantage of the photo opportunity.
End of the parking lot is our donkey. His name is Frito. There are 3 rules with Frito. Rule number 1, do not get in the pen with him. He will kick the crap out of you. Now, if you don't want to adhere to rule 1, come and get me before you get in the pen. I want to video it and put it on the internet. I'll put Frito meets a dumbass. Rule number 2, it's okay to pet my ass. The donkey, ma'am. Eyes up here, please. Rule number 3, never ever grab my ass, okay? All right.
That wine tour literally wore us out, so we decided to head back to the Riverwalk and catch some dinner and call it a night. So I decided to get up and fix us a little brunch to get started on our last day.
Once I got my divorce and I got back out here in the dating world, I had expectations. You know, like if you said you were going to call me or if you said you were going to do certain things and you didn't do it, I didn't give you chances.
My requirement would probably be, like consistency.
Yeah,
yeah.
Because I can't, if you're going to already start out lying, I'm not going to waste my time.
Right.
Because even though there's no reason we're dating at this point, so you can be on and be like, I ain't going to do this. But if you can't even just simply say, I'm going to call you or we're going to do this and then you just bail and don't say nothing, okay, done.
Consistency and accountability.
Yeah.
I think that would be something, you say you're going to do something and don't do it, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Especially in the dating part, because it's unnecessary. Like,
Exactly.
you don't owe me anything. But, okay, the courtesy.
Right. There you go.
Just the courtesy.
Yeah.
Respect. Yeah.
So you'll get to see the rest of that mukbang brunch and chat on Thursday, but for now, back to the trip. We decided to end our day at the Japanese garden before we drove back to Dallas. It was really beautiful.
Smile. No, I'm doing a video.
So I dropped my sister off at home and my cousins have left and I'm finally home relaxing and I decided I'd give me a little nightcap. I picked up a bottle at the winery that we went to. We really had a good time at this one. They had a live band, lobster roll truck, and it was just a really good place. I definitely recommend it when you go to San Antonio. So I just want to end my night with me a little glass and share a glass with my husband. I'm really happy to be home. So like, subscribe on the channel. Make sure you check out the next one coming up on Thursday. It'll be a mukbang brunch and talk with the crew. We had a really good time on the trip and San Antonio was really a good pick. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.